Hello friends, in this video we will look at how to install Anaconda 3 on Windows. So let's get started. Open Google search engine. We will search in Google search engine Anaconda, and I say Anaconda Python. Right here Anaconda, and click on Anaconda Python. And in the first search result I have this anaconda.com, individual edition Anaconda. Just click on it. So scroll down your page and you have seen here that in Anaconda installer. So you have to download for Windows system. There is an option of a 64-bit and 32-bit graphical installer. So first of all I want to check that my system is which bit graphical installer support my system. So I just click on my computer, right click on my computer, just click on a property, and here is system type, and my system is 64-bit operating. I click on a 64-bit graphical installer and it will be automatically download in my system. Just ask where you want to save the file. I just click on a downloads folder and just save. I have already download this application, so I just click on a cancel button. Okay, so after downloading, just open your location where you have to install download the software. Just right click on it, click on a run as administrator, and it will be extracting files in your system. So this is process. Just click on a next button, then I agree, click on a I agree button, and after that there is a two option. Just click on all users and click on next button. Here is the location and space required 2.9 GB, and in my system space available is 100 GB approx. So I just click on a next button, and there is a two option. You have to check on second one and click on install button. It will take time. It will almost take 20 to 25 minutes. So installation is in progress, so it will take time. So you just click check here, it is completed now. Just click on a finish button and click on a next, and then finish. Click on a finish button. Now you can see how to check that Anaconda is installed in your system or not. So just type on a search bar Anaconda, and you see here the Anaconda prompt. Anaconda is installed, so it is successfully installed in our system. Now we have just open Anaconda. So just again search on a Anaconda prompt and right click on it and click on a run as administrator. And the Anaconda prompt is opening now. I have to maximize my screen so that it can visible for all. Now Python version installed in your system, write Python space double hyphen version, press enter key. See here, Python 3.8.8 version is installed. So now I'm going to tell you how to update Python version in Anaconda. So there is some syntax for update Python. Just write here conda, C-O-N-D-A, conda space update and space again double hyphen all, A-double-L, all space double hyphen yes, press enter key. And if there is any update is available, then it will automatically installed in your system and your Python is updated. You make sure that your system is connected with internet. Without internet it can't update Python version. So it's update almost 10 to 15 libraries files also. Okay, so till we still wait for a minute. Now update is complete and here. So this is our now I just write here cls command for clear screen. So screen is clear now. Yes. So now I'm going to check which Python version is installed now. So I write here Python space double hyphen and version, then press enter key. Now the Python version is installed is 3.8.10. So it means my Python libraries and Python system is updated now. Now I'm going to tell you how to open Jupyter notebook in Anaconda prompt. So just write for opening Jupyter notebook, write Jupyter space notebook and press enter key, and it will take time to open. So still wait for a minute, and now Jupyter notebook is opening on your Google Chrome. Jupyter notebook opening in Google Chrome. Okay, so it is opening now. Just click here to go to Jupyter, and your Jupyter notebook is installed in your system. Your Anaconda is installed in your system. Still wait. It's create a local host, local server in your system, and you have to see that this is the interface of Jupyter notebook. And how to write a program in Jupyter notebook, I will tell you in next class. Till then, thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe my channel for latest update and videos. I will share you some informative video like this.